Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot without using physical keys. So we have to simply open the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the advanced features and go for the motion and the gestures, where you can find in this place. When you scroll down all the way down, you can find this option, palm swipe to capture. So we have to simply swipe the edge of our hand across the screen to take a screenshot. So let's make it right now. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. When you click on it, we can open, and we can also find this screenshot in the gallery. You can delete, share, edit, do whatever you want. You can apply filters, you can add text here. You can place it, for example, here. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So just remember to enable this option, and after that, when you make this swipe, you will get the screen capture. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.